Who are the greatest rock drummers of all time? In this video, we'll dive into a list of legendary drummers who have shaped the world of rock. Whether you're a fan of heavy rock or prefer something more melodic, these drummers are guaranteed to inspire you. Stick around to discover the top names in rock drumming. Developing rock drummers and rock drumming fans. Whether you're new to the drumming world or you've been playing for years, there's always a debate about who the best drummers in rock are. Today, I'm going to share my personal list of drummers who've left a lasting impact on rock music, some heavy hitters, and some who bring a more contemporary style to the table. Even if heavy rock isn't my favourite, these drummers are legendary for a reason, so let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with the fact that I'm not really a huge fan of heavy rock myself. It's a little too intense for my taste. But that doesn't mean I can't appreciate the incredible talent behind the drum kit these drummers assert. These drummers have made huge contributions to the rock genre, and whether you like heavy or more melodic rock or a more contemporary style, they've all had a major influence. Here are some of the best rock drummers you should definitely check out, but bear in mind these are just some of my favourites out of literally hundreds of candidates for this list. Let us know who your favourite rock drummer is and why in the comments. Here's my list. Steve Smith, Neil Peart, John Bonham, Carl Palmer, Keith Moon, Terry Bozzio, Ginger Baker, Bill Bruford, Mitch Mitchell, Alan White, Billy Cobham, Cozy Powell, Ian Pace, Charlie Watts. My personal favourite from this list is Steve Smith, who played with Journey. I was introduced to him as a jazz or contemporary drummer, and he's absolutely phenomenal in that genre. While he's known for his work in rock, I've never heard him play the really heavy stuff, but that's just because I don't typically listen to it. I actually met Ian Pace from Deep Purple at a drum clinic in Sheffield, England in the 90s, and he completely blew me away with his performance. Deep Purple's Made in Japan album is an exception to my usual tastes. I listened to it a lot because of the more melodic rock on that record. Pace's drumming was a huge highlight for me. As for the others on the list, they're all fantastic in their own right, though I haven't listened to them as much, with the exception of Steve Smith, Bozzio and Bruford. Each of these drummers brings something unique to rock drumming, whether it's explosive power or intricate technique. So those are some of the best drummers in rock, in my opinion. Legends who've made their mark with their incredible skill and unique styles. Who's your favourite drummer on this list, or is there someone you think should be added? Let us all know in the comments. And if you're wondering how to take care of your own drum kit, make sure to check out my next video where I'll cover the question, how should I store my drums? Proper drum storage is key to maintaining your gear, so don't miss it.